TikTok has become the fastest growing social app in the world, with over 1 billion monthly active users spread across dozens of countries and languages. It even overtook Google to become the most popular website in 2021. While TikTok might just seem like an app for kids, or like it's just a creative outlet for having fun, there's a lot more to it than that. It's safe to say that TikTok is now the go-to social platform for businesses and brands to interact with their audience and get discovered. At the same time, affiliate marketing has rapidly grown in popularity over the last several years, making TikTok affiliate marketing a powerful combination. What is TikTok affiliate marketing? In case you haven't noticed yet, TikTok is gaining incredible momentum. Just look at its worldwide growth trajectory. September 2017, TikTok international launch. January 2018, 54,793,729 monthly users. DEC 2018, 271,188,301, 394.9% increase. DEC 2019, 507,552,660, 87.2% increase. July 2020, 689,174,209, 35.8% increase. September 2021, more than 1 billion users, 45.1% increase. So, what is TikTok affiliate marketing, and what's the hype about? Like any other affiliate marketing approach, TikTok affiliate marketing involves using special tracking links to point viewers to a sales page, usually through an intermediary affiliate blog, web page, or social platform like YouTube. The goal is to use your TikTok videos to grow an audience that you can monetize with affiliate sales. This might sound like a typical affiliate program on any other social platform like Instagram affiliate marketing or Pinterest affiliate marketing. But what makes TikTok unique is that it's new, having launched in 2016. By comparison, Facebook has been around for 17 years, Twitter for 14 years, and Snapchat has been in the game for 10 years. To the current generation, these are considered boomer platforms. The Gen Zs will avoid any social platform the older generation used. TikTok affiliate marketing is ideal for building trust and loyalty, getting new customers, and increasing brand awareness. Today's users love interacting with fun and personable brands, and TikTok rewards that kind of content. The first thing to know about TikTok is that, like Instagram, it doesn't allow users to add affiliate links to videos, it only allows you to have a link in your bio. The theory behind this is that TikTok doesn't want users to leave the app. So, if you want to promote products and brands for a commission, create a regular TikTok account, then follow the steps below to work around this restriction. 1. Upgrade to a TikTok business account. Unlike some personal accounts on TikTok, a business account will always allow you to place a clickable link in your profile. TikTok business account. Add a link to your bio. You are only allowed one link in your bio. For people to know you are acting as an affiliate, use the hashtag #LinkedInBio in your videos. To place the link in your profile, open your profile, tap Edit Profile, and add your link under website. Remember to update the link every time you post about a different product. 3. Create a landing page to host multiple links. Tips for TikTok success. A few other factors are at play, but the most important is views. Here are a few tips on increasing your reach and succeeding in TikTok affiliate marketing. 1. Be consistent with your content. The TikTok algorithm works on regularity. So, to increase your reach and gain the trust of your viewers, you need to post regularly. Aim to post at least one video a day. However, if you post long-form content, 2 to 3 times per week will be sufficient. Tap into new trends. Besides, the TikTok algorithm prioritizes content based on popularity and the number of views. The more popular the trend, the more impressions your content will get. So, analyze what is currently popular on the platform and tap into it. Trends may involve using a particular song, visual effect, or joke. However, the trends should still be related to your niche, because you are not marketing to everyone, and your goal is sales, not just views. Find your ideal niche. That's why you should only focus on a specific audience. You can research your target market on other social platforms and look for overlap on TikTok. Redirect traffic using a call to action. Having millions of views on TikTok is great. A CTA as simple as that could bring in more passive income. TikTok affiliate monetization. Build an audience. TikTok considers the posting frequency of a potential influencer marketing affiliate when considering the number of users that will view a creator's content. Frequent content creates better engagement rates and boosts followers. Choose an affiliate program. As an affiliate, you can work with a direct advertiser or choose to join an affiliate network. Optional, use lead magnets to capture information. TikTok does not allow affiliates to include affiliate offer links in their videos or in their bio. That means you can need to create some kind of affiliate bridge page to route people from TikTok over to an offer you're promoting. TikTok affiliate marketing funnel. One additional step, of course, is including an opt-in form on the bridge page to capture contact information for leads. These are email subscribers you can send new offers to over time. TikTok organic or paid? Remember that most TikTok users are Gen Zs between 16 to 24 years of age, one of the most diverse populations yet, with digital nativism at the high education level. Current users are likely to spend their disposable income on style, fashion, gadgets, deco, and consumer products. There are two primary ways to grow with TikTok: organic traffic and paid traffic. Let's take a quick look at both. Use organic traffic on TikTok. Any successful affiliate marketer must have multiple winning strategies. The best and most straightforward method is to leverage the organic traffic from your videos. This approach works best when you already have regular viewers who engage with your videos. Add a URL leading back to your other social profiles. Link to a bridge page or landing page in your profile. Promote promo or coupon codes in your videos. Add a non-clickable affiliate URL in your content description. Organic traffic is one of the most factors in the success of your TikTok affiliate campaigns. Paid ads. While our focus in this post is on organic traffic, you can also leverage paid TikTok advertising for better affiliate marketing results and to reach a wider audience. In-feed videos. Appears while viewers are scrolling the general feed. Brand takeover. A video is shown as a full-screen engaging and immersive ad, playing for about 6 seconds. Top view. These are hybrid ads between in-feeds and takeover videos and usually play for 60 seconds. Hashtag challenge. This is a simple way of promoting UGC, user-generated content. You can post videos that encourage traffic using a custom hashtag. Branded R. Also branded scan. Branded R, augmented reality, allows affiliates to create ads using branded stickers, lenses, 2D, 3D, and AR effects that viewers can later use in their content. TikTok advertising allows more targeted delivery of a product or brand promotion, and it's giving dominant ad platforms like Facebook and YouTube a serious run for their money. Here are a few more tips to increase your TikTok affiliate marketing traffic. Be consistent and post frequently. Create compelling and engaging content. Engage with other content relevant to your affiliate niche by linking or commenting on related videos. Invite followers from other social media platforms. Improve your subscriber list with useful lead magnets. Stay current with the trends. Use relevant and active hashtags. Start a personal challenge or trend and invite your audience to join. Join a team of other creators. Examples of affiliate marketing on TikTok. There is no doubt about the opportunities available on TikTok. To show you how possible it is to make money on TikTok, here are 4 real-life examples of TikTok affiliate marketers. Rachel Meters monetizes her 2.1 million followers through the Amazon Associates program. She posts short videos of things you didn't know. You need it off Amazon and uses link tr.e. Grace aka Little Mama. Grace Little Mama monetizes her 429k followers with various offers by redirecting them to her YouTube channel. Nadia has 1.7 million followers, and she keeps interested by posting educational content about women's issues such as cramps. She promotes tampons, which are directly related to her content. She also has a YouTube channel that covers the same content, which she redirects to her followers. Tori Dunlap, a content creator in the personal finance niche, started both her Instagram and TikTok accounts simultaneously. Her Instagram has only 390K followers, while TikTok has 2.1 million. This shows how affiliate marketer-friendly TikTok is compared to other popular platforms. Check out these examples of big brands who are crushing it right now: NBA, Dunkin', Fenty Beauty. Learn more about TikTok. Of course, if you are just starting out as an affiliate, you should also look at our brand new TikTok course, How to Grow and Monetize on TikTok, with expert Rachel Pedersen, the queen of social media.